How to remove the gray circle from iPhone or iPad. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to remove the gray circle that appears on your iPhone or iPad screen. If you haven't seen it floating around and found it annoying, don't worry. It's an easy fix. So let's jump right in. That gray circle is usually the assistive touch feature. It's a handy accessibility tool, but if you don't need it, here's how to remove it. First, open Settings, then go to Accessibility. Now, tap Touch and select Assistive Touch. Now, just toggle it off and the gray circle will disappear. If you find yourself needing it occasionally, you can add Assistive Touch to the control center for quick access. And that's it. No more annoying gray circle on your screen. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy tech tips. Thank you for watching and we will see you again in the next video.